How to fix a camera not working on your laptop. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you are facing some of the problems with a camera on a particular application, here is a quick fix. So for this, first of all, open Settings. After that, on the left side of the screen, go to Privacy and Security. Under that, you will see Windows Permissions and App Permissions. Click on Camera. Make sure that the camera access has been given. Similarly, also make sure that for the particular application that is not working, the toggle on button is on for the camera access. If it is not given access, make sure to toggle it on. After that, what you can try is open Device Manager. From there, click on the cameras and then right-click on your camera driver. After that, go to Update Driver and update automatically. Also make sure that you have updated your Windows timely. The other thing that you can try is right-click on the driver and click on Uninstall device. Once this is done, click on the Action button and then click on Scan for hardware changes. This will reinstall your camera driver. So these were some of the solutions that you can try for fixing camera not working on your Windows. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.